Hey guys, Patio on VXP Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at Woodland Trail in Richmond Hill, going through a booth floor plan by DR Horton. We have the Laura Harasi who's going to walk us through it, tell us all the features so you know what you're getting into when you buy a booth. All right, let's go into it. All right, here's the front of the booth plan.
This is the beautiful booth plan.
Beautiful booth plan.
It's a single level, 1,891 square feet, right under 1,900.
Nice.
So 4 bedroom, 2 bath.
Look at this. Now, this is Woodland Trail, just so you can get an idea of the neighborhoods that there's going a lot of space in between these.
Yeah, and also I don't think I said this before, but it's hardy board out here. It's not vinyl.
Nice.
So you've got the good stuff.
Oh yeah. All right.
Nice entryway.
Okay.
Closet.
Coat closet, nice. All right, and over.
Split plan, so you'll have 3 bedrooms back there, bathroom, and then the owner's suite is over on the other side. But all open. We love our open floor plans.
Look at this, wide open. You said how many square feet was this one again?
This one's right under 1,900 square feet.
1,900.
1,891.
I like to start out with, let's go to the kitchen, because everybody likes kitchens, right? So, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, no fridge. No fridge, tile black splash on this one. I like that. Pantry's big size.
Walk-in pantry.
Walk
You can walk in there.
Let me see.
Like close the door to walk in.
Oh yeah, there you go. There's your criteria.
Now, something I want to point out on the single levels that we don't have on the 2 stories is this huge covered lanai. So if you wanted to screen that in, all you have to do is screen that one side.
Oh yeah, yeah. Let's check out this primary bedroom. All right. So once again, king size bed, full sleigh going on. Tons of room still in here. I love that. All rooms are carpeted?
All rooms are carpeted.
All right, fantastic. Let's go walk into this walk-in closet.
You can do that.
I can do that because she can close the door. All right. There's a lot of things you can walk into. Yeah, walk-in bathroom, dual
so this
vanity.
one has a secret closet. It's
Where?
hidden. So you have the closet right here, obviously not secret. You can see this one.
And you can walk in there too. So
yeah,
that's
you
good.
can walk in that one. But then if you come in here into the water closet, and I'll let you do it.
Yeah.
Pull this door.
Okay.
You find a hidden door.
It's secret for 2 seconds till you have to use the bathroom.
Yeah.
Boom. You can put extra toilet paper, towels, washcloths. Love it, love it. I like the size of the showers too.
5-foot walk-in shower.
Nice. Walk-in shower, good. I like to
You
have
walk
those.
in there.
Yeah, I like to have those. Otherwise, you're just in a spigot outside. Okay.
And then you have laundry room over here.
Okay.
You have a nice little space here that you can, put shelves.
Well, this would be good for like one of those hook for coats, and then like for the shoes down there. Yeah. I'm positive there's a word for it. It's a walk-in. It's a walk-in mudroom.
There we go. So then you have linen closet here,
Nice.
bonus closet here.
Good. All right, let's talk. Look at this dual vanity. This is quartz, right? Okay, cool.
Quartz countertops.
What colors? What colors can we get? What are going to be changed if they picked a different color? Is there different colors?
So there are different color packages, but everything is pre-selected.
Right.
So
So you get white or gray?
white or gray.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's this with the other package. It's a darker gray flooring.
Okay.
It's very similar.
Yeah.
Very neutral.
All right. I like it. Carpet. Nice size room. You can fit a queen in here easily. Probably squeeze a king if you wanted to, but it'd be tough. This is a walk-in closet, according to Laura. I can walk in there. I can walk in there, right?
You can walk in this one.
This is a walk-in for sure. Yes, you can close the door. All right.
Walk in, I'm gonna close you up.
This one you can definitely put a king size in here, no problem. I think this other one over here, it was more of a door issue with the closet than anything. So, not that the size wasn't there, it's just door positioning. Same thing with this one. You can fit a king, not much else. So I would say more queen, right?
I mean, you don't want your guests getting too comfortable.
Right.
If I go somewhere and visit and they give me a king-size bed, I might want to stay longer.
I don't know about all that. Now, let's go check out this garage real quick.
There it is.
Here's the garage. The attic's in here, nice. We keep the AC's up there, right?
The AC is up in there.
2-car garage. It doesn't come finished, so you have to paint your own walls if you want it and do the floors on your own. But that's standard with most new construction homes.
We do give you a garage door opener that connects to the smart home system though, which most people don't get or they have to pay extra for. So
Yeah, smart home system. Did you mention that?
I did.
All right, smart home system.
Smart home system, yeah. Which will come with the doorbell camera, keypad entry, smart thermostat, smart garage door opener, all included.
All right, let's go to the back. Leaving the beautiful kitchen, coming out to the patio area. Now that light is wired for fans, so that's good. All right, a lot of space in here, and you were saying that you could like put screens in really easy, right?
Oh, super easy because you already have the full structure. All you need is the one wall and a door.
Oh, sweet. All right, this is the booth. So that's the booth plan out here in Woodland Trail in Richmond Hill, but this goes the same for all other booth models. They look almost identical. So if you guys have any questions, give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon.